Guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be discussing this current Bitcoin crash. Is the crash over? Are we going to crash even more? Well, the data are saying that we are going to see a rebound soon, and I'm going to show you today why and how high we're going to go to. Of course, before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to the channel because we post one video every single day, and we are one of the channels with one of the highest winning streak when it comes to crypto trading. Let's go straight away into the charts, guys. Bitcoin has been going from roughly $59,000, $60,000 yesterday to roughly 55,500. And the reason for this dump is apparently North Korea trying to hack and steal US crypto and Bitcoin ETF funds. So, because of this news, apparently the cryptocurrency markets started to dump and everybody was panicking. But what is quite remarkable is the fact that with the VIP group, we already knew where Bitcoin was going to. So, we posted an analysis yesterday that we were saying over here we could see a fake pump up to 60,500, and then there could be a good scalping short opportunity. We had the liquidity heat map. We were saying lots of liquidity around here, and of course, guys, we shorted the market. Trading results all over here. You can see our community. We have 100% winning trades for the last 6 weeks. You can see the results short in the market, long in the market. I don't know what to say anymore, guys. You need to join the VIP group, guys. Bitcoin analysis, altcoin analysis. So you can see that data matters and opinion don't matters. And also, guys, don't believe in this kind of news. Market makers were already prepared. We already knew all of that in advance. And of course, we took the opportunity. But right now, you're asking yourself, where are we going to go next? So, and by the way, if you want to join the VIP group, guys, link in the description below, link in the comments. You will not regret it. Really, we are smashing this market. We're a community of pro traders. But let's cut the chase now. So Bitcoin at the moment is going down like crazy. You can see that there is no signs on reversal. People are now calling for 40,000, 30,000, whatever nonsense it is. What I think is going to be happening right now, in my opinion, we are due for a nice rebound. I'm going to show you what can be happening right now. So first of all, what is very important is to understand how low we're going to go down from here, when is going to be the rebound coming. And in general, what I utilize my Fibonacci retracement for the highest point to the lowest point of this dump over here. And as you can see right now, we are entering a area called the golden pocket area, which is right now sitting at 55,150. So what I would like to see from here is probably going to be a potential downtrend, maybe today, early today, or even once the U.S. market is going to open, maybe down to here around 55,500, 55,000, and then from there we should be able to climb back up to this area. What is very important to also saying is that lots of people are asking me this. Until and remember, I cannot stress this enough. I can see lots of like a very good rebound around this area, even from here 56,000 to 55,500. I can see a nice rebound from here to probably up to here at 60,000, 59, 60,000. But until we're not going to be able to break this diagonal level of resistance, look at this, and I'm going to put it again at roughly 60,000, 60,500. We are not going to go anywhere. The trend is still down. We can keep doing this and this and this and this and this until infinity, right? So until we're not going to be able to forcefully break that level of resistance, the trend is still down. So I can be seeing right now a rebound from this area to this area, but then once we get there, we need to assess, because this could happen, but like this will happen. So once we're going to get to that area, we want to see volume coming in. We want to see lots of strength into the market, because otherwise it's going to be, of course, impossible to break the level. And of course, if we're going to be able to break the level, then the next one I can see we could be able to reach probably around $66,000, $67,000 in the nearby future. So I guess we need to, wait and see right now. I'm gonna show you a little bit more short term for today, for tomorrow, so you have a clear idea why what I'm saying, all of this. So as you can see from here, guys, I'm gonna go into the and show you like that we are pretty much into what we call a parallel channel. Like it's so obvious right now that we are in a parallel channel, and the good thing about this, right, is that first of all, is a downward channel. So downward channel in general, it's a bullish channel because basically it's telling us that sellers are getting exhausted. So we could be seeing maybe one more down, I'll say like one more sweep to the downside, maybe something like this, maybe down to 55,500. But as I said before, we are entering a very good level, like a golden pocket area. And then once we're going to be able to retest the lower end of this channel, first of all, we are going to have what we call a bullish divergence on the RSI, which is this indicator over here. So you're going to see pretty much something like this, which is very, very bullish. And second of all, you are going to have also the support of this channel over here. So what it means that from this area, the most likely scenario is going to be either this and then this, or is going to be this directly. Maybe to go back to $58,700. And then from here, very similar to what I showed you before. If you're going to be able to break this channel, then we can go higher, maybe to 61,000. But if you're not going to be able to break it, then we can just go down again and then to continue to go down. But what is very, very important to remember is the fact that from here, like right now, there is a very high likelihood of a short-term rebound if you're gonna open a long position. And guys, of course, the VIP group already knows what to do because we got trading calls over here. So for altcoins, for Bitcoin, for everything. So trading calls from myself, from also my members who are pro traders. So we already know where to buy, where to sell, and all of that. Everything is done for you. So that's what I can see right now, short term for BTC, and looks quite, I would say, exciting. Now, another thing why I could be seeing like another sweep to the downside for BTC, maybe down to 55,500, is also the DXY, guys. DXY has been trying to climb back up, around this area, and it looks like there is some signs of life. And if it's going to continue to go a little bit higher, let's say it's going to go up to maybe 102 to 103, then I could be seeing a short-term pressure on BTC, maybe going down to, as I said before, maybe 55K. But then after that, looks more of a corrective movement from here. So what we could be seeing is going to go maybe to go up to this area and then to continue to go down. And remember, whenever this one goes down, the stock market and crypto go up, which is very important rule. Like most of the time, this happens. And of course, very soon we're going to have the Fed in a couple of weeks cutting interest rates, which should be very positive for the markets. And then we're going to be seeing like the dollar losing value, and of course the stock market and crypto to appreciate. So next one I want to show you today as well, guys, very important, which I forget about Bitcoin, is also the liquidity map. As you can see from here, guys, there's so many shorts piling in around 60,000, in between 60,000 and also $61,500. So what I could be seeing from here, from this liquidity map index, I would probably thinking that they might try, the market makers, to go back down to maybe around 55,500, grab the liquidity from here, and then pumping like there is no tomorrow up to $60,000 to $61,000. So going back to our chart over here, that's what I could be seeing. Could be seeing, as I showed you before, maybe a little pump here, another dump to this area, take all the liquidity, pump it up to maybe even 60,500, and then we need to assess what's going to be the next movement. Last one, guys, I want to show you today, very important, is the stock market, the S&P 500, where yesterday we had a very brutal sell-off, which was, in my opinion, quite healthy. Like lots of people were panicking, calling for the end of the bull market, which makes me laugh a lot. But I could see right now, very, very simple, guys. We are in a channel right now. The channel is pretty much still intact. I could be seeing maybe like one last drop, maybe to 5,350, 5,400. But then I'm expecting a big recovery, continuation to the upside, and reaching maybe by, let's say, this period from here, I could be seeing a all-time high at roughly $6,100 by, I would say, in between November and December, so end of December 2024. So overall, guys, this news about the crash, everybody's scared, in my opinion, is quite nonsense. I'm really expecting a rebound coming very soon, so I'm already positioning myself at specific levels, to go long. So I guess we just have to wait and see tomorrow, the day after tomorrow, if I was right. But of course, guys, the only way you can do this one is to subscribe to the channel. So thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope it was helpful. If you have a question, leave a comment down below. But otherwise, I'm going to see you tomorrow for another good video about trading. Take care, and I'll see you tomorrow.